R34 Skyline, kind of like the ones that come out on Fast and the Furious. We are second round. We're gonna be racing him with the Tesla, and then I believe he's gonna be racing a Banshee with wheelies. They're racing a badass Banshee with wheelies stretched out and everything. It's gonna be a full day Tesla versus everybody. We are second pair. We're about to unload it, make a hit. It's gonna be fun. I've never raced an electric car before, bro.
Yeah, and it's something different. They just launch and it's quiet. It's crazy.
These motherfuckers don't even make no noise. It just takes off. But I think it's pretty cool. Like I said, once again, we blessed that we out here with the Hoonigans. I think after this, we're gonna get invited to race the Mustang. You gotta go through a process before you actually race the big dog. Well, that's what we're doing right now. We're about to unload the truck, warm it up, check tire pressure, fuel it up, and get ready for this Tesla. Perfect. I think also the Tesla's running the DDE, Daily Driven Exotics. They had a badass Aventador Lamborghini yesterday, but I think they're bringing a faster one today.
So they're gonna bring a twin turbo Huracan.
We were talking to a dude yesterday, and they said they were trying to put a new transmission, and hopefully they'll get it done, bring it down, because I think they're gonna be racing the Tesla. But if it's a fast car, we might call them out, you know, for a friendly run. We told the dude that he said he was cool. As long as he gets it done, we might make a test hit against the badass fucking Lamborghini twin turbo.
It's all-wheel drive and it makes 1,400 horsepower.
Something similar to what we got, you know, but this is truck. Yeah, like I said, we're doing this for all the truck guys. This is for you. You're not gonna let nobody down.
So right now they're doing the interview with Beto.
He didn't want Perrillo in camera.
Yeah. Well, it's not really that. It's just more focused on the drivers. Then we all come out. So what's your prediction with the Tesla?
I think we're gonna smoke them. Literally, like, I don't know. That's what I'm thinking. Hopefully everything runs good on the truck, and I think it's an easy peasy, bro. For real.
I'm gonna get too cocky, but I got my boy. He's been driving badass lately.
How many cars do you think he'll put on it on the first pass?
One car.
Well, that's it?
I think like two. I'd say two. Like
two.
Probably like el turno de pasadina, así. Fácil.
We're gonna run heads up, and then we'll probably just give them like 3 cars to make it interesting. If we just go heads up, it's not a match. If the truck runs good, like we hope it does, nah, we don't have a match. And so after the head-on race, we'll just give them about 2-3 car links, make it a little more interesting to make it fun.
Beto was saying to give him 3 cars, and Beto moves.
I think two.
Two?
I think
Two in the move?
So that way we can be on the safe side.
We need to talk about Adrian's drip.
Hey, bro.
2022 Adrian, bro. It's,
Look at you, bro.
the thing is, bro, I look good in anything, bro. I wear my big baggy pants that Frank says, I still look good.
Throw them away.
That's what I told him to throw his pants away, bro.
I'll fight you, bro.
Throw them away.
We can get my pants and cut them in half, and I'll make you a pair and you a pair of pants.
Yeah, they're that big and loose and baggy.
I let On the Gas take me shopping. This is what the outcome
Do you feel
is.
good?
I always feel good though, bro.
But you like the drip.
I feel like $1 million.
Pareció otro el viejo, la pareció otro.
Hey, don't fall in love, bro. Don't fall in love.
All right, guys, here we go. First pass versus the Tesla Plaid. We'll see how it does. How do you feel, Adrian?
I think I feel better than the Tesla guy. That motherfucker just chilling now.
Yeah. Hey, bro, AC and everything, bro.
catch can, bro. Back him up, push him back, push him back. It's a catch can. Push it. Give me 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
So the catch can is full. So we gotta drain it, huh?
Just drain it. Take like 2 minutes.
The valve cover? Right here, right?
Go bring me a brake cleaner.
It's leaking on the whole side of the fucking block.
Okay, through the room and shit.
On the side?
In the back.
But it's on top, bro.
Well, entonces, I'm
It's a sensor on top. Is the sensor on top leaking?
Oh man, I gotta get on there, but I'm gonna step all over it.
Gotta get the motherfucker fixed, though.
Checa si el sensor está leakando.
Yeah. How do we get to that fucking sensor?
It's identical.
You wanna race it like that or?
No, es leaking a lot. Bueno, mata, atácale chingo de garras atrás. Mete chingo de garras por tu guagla. Putazo de garras. Dale limpio con brake cleaner, todo malón atrás. Is it back there?
Yeah, it's a sensor. I can see it. The sensor itself is leaking. Is this fitting loose?
No, ya lo apreté.
Oh, let me take it off. We're gonna have to get back in there.
Where? Oh, aquí era.
The oil pressure sensor itself is leaking.
They busted.
What the fuck?
No, the oil pressure sensor busted. It blew. Too much oil pressure. No, we don't have sensors, Adrian.
But we don't need a sensor.
We need to plug it.
Boy, we need to fix it, bro.
Yeah, we need
We
to
gotta
fix it.
fix it. I don't care what we do, we gotta fix it.
A ver, déjame limpiarle ahí atrás. Le metemos garras.
Oil pressure sensor went out.
A ver, muévete.
He looked into the camera.
Aquí lo arreglo ahorita. You gotta do another burnout or we're good?
I have to do it like that.
Okay.
Clean the tires real good.
Sácale la vuelta al agua.
It's good now?
Vamos a atascarle chingo de garras. Se reventó el oil pressure sensor.
Oh, fue el oil pressure.
Not to make the passes. I think you brought some more 0-100s. Are they the same?
No, have to step on there. Es que me toca subirme para arriba o joder con eso.
You want me to?
Ayúdame aquí.
Aquí, acá.
No, pues ayúdame, chiquita.
Okay. Hold on, watch your knees because you're on the grill. This is what we gotta do to race out here in the hooligans. Adrian, would it throw off the tune?
Nah.
Okay.
We're good on oil though.
They'll be alright on oil, yeah. On this pass, we might need some more. We got some oil in there.
Yeah, we got oil, right? You got oil?
Is there O'Reilly's around here?
I don't know, check out
Check out there's an O'Reilly's. Or auto parts store?
because I mean the guy yesterday blew the drive shaft. We have time after this pass.
All we need is 2. Make this one happen and the next one. I'll patch it. Fierro.
There's AutoZone and
Go get one. Go get a sensor. What is yours off of?
Bring an 03 and 08.
Sensor, oil pressure sensor.
Quítate el dado. It's an oil pressure socket.
Ask him. Yeah.
Sí, ahí lo venden.
And then,
Touch me everything.
How far is it?
It's 5 miles.
I will do it for next round.
Yeah, well, let's just run so you can stay and
Bring
watch.
some more oil.
How much oil that
You got oil. You got
So ahí está apretado, nomás tiene para que le caiga el aceite
Sí,
ahí.
para que se agarre de ahí entre las garras.
Hey, just go tell them we're ready just whenever they finish cleaning.
So what happened?
The oil pressure sensor blew up internally, and it was leaking oil everywhere from where the plug goes. So luckily it was nothing major.
We don't have to drive the transmission.
We don't gotta drive none of that. Just change the sensor out, clean it up, and we should be good to go.
Hell yeah.
First burnout. When I was backing up, I seen a little line.
I'm like, what the?
I was like this. And he's like, no, keep going. I was like, no, this. He's like, no, go. I was like, and then he was like, oh, turn it off. But luckily it's nothing big, it's something simple. Good thing I got the A1 team here, Roy and Adrian, quick. Now I would have been home.
Like it would have gotten fixed no matter what.
We ain't no professional racers. Nevertheless, a fucking mechanic, you know, we're just YouTubers. Luckily we got the A1 team here, Adrian and Roy. And they're gonna fix it right now and get it rolling.
I think the Tesla.
He for sure trained him in the end.
Yeah.
But it was close to 500 for sure.
It was, for sure.
I think it's fast.
He's fucking pissed.
That little truck right there be moving like Johnny Walker.
You got the part in?
That looks very sexual, bro.
That looks very sexual.
Okay, but you suck on it.
Suck on it?
Yeah, no, not on this though.
What I gotta do?
Suck on this.
Just suck on it?
On this.
He's being dirty, bro.
I was gonna do it for real.
Bro, you Adrian, bro. Then you drip, you Adrian.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry.
Cali age.
Hey, wake up, boy, wake up. That's crazy. This happened a couple times, but what we're gonna do is put a new one, and then we're gonna go ahead and tie a rag around it, around the harness and stuff, and around the end of the plug. So if it happens to do it again, at least it's gonna be the oil catches in here. And we're actually lucky with the Frankenstein intake. Normally it goes on back of the intake down onto the plate. But with the Frankenstein intake, it angles it so you can reach it from the side. That's what making it. Now we have to pull the whole intake off.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it's a good design by Frankenstein to be able to reach up in there.
Shout out to Frankenstein.
Yeah, shout out to my boy Junior from Frankenstein, hooking us up with this intake and these heads.
Oh, look at how the pad comes around. Woo. It's got some top end.
Two cars. Get a Lambo, 2 cars, and still beat them.
Wow.
The Tesla. 2 cars in the move.
Damn. Everything's good?
Yeah.
Come on, Frank.
What you mean nothing ever happened?
Oh, this bitch makes me
Never
cry.
happened, Frank. What you
Oh,
talking about?
it's all for a show, bro.
Yeah.
No,
That's what we do, just put on the
I
show.
just got a little oil thrown on the side, bro. Make it look like it was. So it could be dramatic. We don't ever break nothing, bro. All the motors, we lie, bro. They're never broken.
Do we need oil?
Oh, we're checking right now. When it gets on, we'll check.
Should be good.
Se tiró chingo, güey.
So we got it fixed.
We got it fixed. Shout out to Alex for going to get the part.
Alex, my boy Tito, Wakala for getting the parts, my boy Adrian and Roy for fixing it, my boy Johnny for looking cute while everything was going down. So yeah, we got it fixed. That Tesla's fucking hauling ass, bro.
Right now he just gave the Lambo 2 cars in the hit.
The DDE Lambo, right?
Yeah.
Daily Drip
One of fucking 20 that they
I know,
have.
I know, but the one they got here is yeah, I seen them shit. You know, I want to make it fun and give them some space, but nah, I think we're gonna go heads up right now, 1,000 foot, and we'll see where we stand. But it's the fastest one, right?
Yeah. Oh, this is the Plaid. I mean, the fully decked out Model S.
We better beat that mother.
Yeah. If not, we gotta go buy one.
Now I'm gonna trade this motherfucker in at the Tesla dealer. So if y'all want a badass truck, go to the Tesla dealer.
Hey, let me know what you trade in so I can go buy it. And I'm gonna race you with your Tesla, with your old truck. And I'm gonna give you 2 in the move.
Is bro racing or what? Tesla by like 3 or 2.
I don't know. That was a lot.
That was a lot. Yeah. That's insane, bro. That's
No
crazy.
sound.
World's quietest donuts.
Dale tronco para ver con qué tanto lo pasas, güey.
The thing is,
No, just a little up there. Hey, what if the motherfucker goes too?
hey, you're not gonna hear him. So
Yeah.
don't expect to hear anything. But do everything the same. Whatever you feel, bro, you're good.
Okay.
Hey, bro, thank you.
O rápido o el Lambo no jala.
No, the Lambo was going. We were at the top.
Estoy diciendo, por eso no le hagas confianza. No le hagas confianza porque luego nos pasa volando y ¿para qué quieres? Ah, no. Dale garras. Dale tronco. Los vatos están enojados. Quieren que les des piso a todo. Al vato ese nadie le ha podido ganar.
Todos quieren que ganes tú. Vas a tener que ir a patas y no, porque así pierdes.
Pícale al bite bitch. Dijo que él.
Ponle el bye beach en todo lo que da.
Ya si lo canaleas ahorita, pues ya vemos. ¿verdad?
¿Usted cómo va, primo? ¿Quién va a ganar?
Hasta.
Es todo, verga.
Todo, viejo, porque si no, ahorita nos lo llevamos amarrado.
Tell anyone about this, I'll kill you. I'm kidding. We'll come back by tonight.
Ey, pónteme cachucha, güey. Te miras bien mal así.
Me veo
Te
bien
miras bien
jovencito,
mal.
¿verdad?
Parece un pinche perro preñado.
¿Con chichis o sin chichis, perro? Ven y chúpale. Para que
Ya te
agarres
falta como
a-
2-3 días que avienten los perritos a la vez. Pinche madre. Pancita de Calvin Klein.
No hables muchas pendejadas,
Thanks, dude. Cantando una canción, güey. Okay, hey, this guy was singing when he was racing. What the fuck?
My foot is on the dance.
Una mamalona.
I'm at 50%.
50?
Yeah.
Wow.
I thought
And I've been doing runs, donuts.
Yeah, all kinds of crazy shit.
I thought you had to charge those things. I see some of those guys like charge after every single race. They want to charge them up and stuff. And that thing's nice, man.
Thank you.
That's crazy.
Is it bone stuff? What was it? It was a 4x4?
I don't know what he did.
What was on?
What happened?
I was like, yeah, you said yeah. I wasn't ready. You told me you were ready.
Yeah, we wasted a good fucking pass.
No, well, he left.
He didn't leave.
That's a race.
He didn't leave. No, we're not gonna fight it that much. We'll see what they say.
I think he's breaking up on time.
It was breaking up on time.
Well, tell him we gotta cool down now.
Well, we got one pass in, but it looks like the Plaid wasn't ready, so we'll see. ¿Se arrancó con madre como quiera?
Yeah, I did. I heard it up there a little weird, pero it took off good.
So what happened with him?
It looks like he wasn't ready.
Yeah,
Because the guy was like, "Well, don't lie to me then. Because he's like, I saw your head nod.
Yeah.
He didn't pull a shoot.
That's not Chase. He chased, you're right, but I don't know.
He chased, but then he didn't chase.
Nah, he chased.
What did he say?
He said that he said he wasn't ready.
No.
But the guy told him,
He-
you're not in my head.
He took off and then he saw the truck leave and he's like, fuck that, I ain't catching that thing.
That's a race, bro. Oh, Johnny,
No me cambio, güey, porque cuando me iba a dar vuelta, todavía estaba en segunda. What happened to the car?
He took off, but then he stopped.
Why?
Like supposedly he wasn't ready.
And then shifted to third way.
So the guy went up to him. He's like, "Don't lie to me." The flagger. He's like, "You're not out of your head."
Yeah.
I mean, he can't miss the sound of the truck
Yeah.
either, you know. What happened to your little truck, bro?
You can't trust Lambo people, man. You can't trust Lambo people.
Hey, make sure you tell Beto it's no race on that last one. So this is a race. It's a heads-up race. Tell
Yeah.
him. That way he knows that it's.
Yeah, it's start
I
over.
think that we got one win or whatever.
So they negotiated or whatever. They talked it over, and it turns out that counted as no race. So we're gonna run it back. How do you feel about it?
Man, I don't know. I really want to beat the guy. Like, part of me wants to take the win, but part of me also, I really want to beat him.
Like smash him?
Well, no. I mean, you know, I'm nice, Frank.
Yeah.
I just want to beat. I don't want to be like no excuses.
Gotcha.
I could have this. They just heads up. That guy beats everybody heads up. He hasn't lost. Well, we want to prove that he's beatable. So let's race. I mean, the guy wants to race 10 times. We'll race him 10 times. We're down, but
We'll see.
we got a free test pass. It went right down, so.
A to B.
It went down. It was not spent nowhere near as much as yesterday. So we got quite a bit of rubber down in this lane now. But if you look, all the rubber you see is all us. It's all slicks because everyone's on hard tires. So you can kind of see like on the side some of the street tires, but.
Not even close.
That's a real 18-wheeler length.
About a train and a half.
Chalk that one up. Put that on the board. Crew right there.
Oh yeah.
Good shit.
Good shit, baby. Good shit. Took about 2 buses.
So we won by 5 cars.
Frank, we consider that a freight train.
That's what I was saying. That's the real 18-wheeler.
That's the railroad track.
Yeah, that's the real railroad track.
No, parece que ya no. Dijeron que ya no, que it's not worth it.
Pues Juan jaló con madre.
¿A qué saben esto, güey?
Bien sabroso.
Entra bien.
Levanta un polvadero el vato allá, güey. Va y empolva todas las camisas, güey, que están allá de Juniquín. Al chile, güey. Ahorita no viste, güey, se quedó viendo el güero así, güey, entró el... Da cuenta que entró al rancho a la verga.
Entra bien verga.
Una polvadera.
Entra bien verga, entra bien verga.
Dos voces.
La neta.
I know he's crying right now, probably.
That's good.
Oh, my battery's low.
Tell him that we got about 5 chargers in the second trailer. We'll help him out.
So we made a negotiation. Guy wanted to do a row. I didn't want to do no rows. I've never done rows on this one. It's not a road trip. He was like, give me some space. I was like, all right, I'll give you 2 and you move. And then I'll go after you. Or I give you 3, but I move. And I move, you move. And then empezaron a cantar los vatos. Bueno, so, y así hizo el vato. Y el ahorita ya.
So what was the final?
3.
And we move.
And I move.
Yeah.
You should be at least 1.
I'm gonna be at the door. Whenever he hits it, bro, I'm gonna be right there at the door. El vato, el Lambo ahorita dijo, man, you told that motherfucker, that dude's nothing. You punked him right now. So ¿cuánto le diste? 3 on the move. And I move. I was like, you can put your little thing. He's like, nah, I got a real camera. I was like, ¿se miró rápido o no?
Oh, really good. That motherfucker is the best pass, the cleanest pass you've made the whole time.
Siempre le sacaste 2
No, pero, o sea, si, no hay pedo, güey. Si perdemos es porque le estamos dando 3, 4, 5 carros, no hay pedo. El pedo es de que es interesting.
Oh, no, dude, they were all happy, bro. When you beat them, they were fuck, yeah, Yeah, they were excited, bro. Everybody. So
5 cars at the 1,000 foot. So I'm gonna get him by 2 now. Or not even. Güey, esa madre arrancándose, güey.
he sleeps.
Bye,
he
bro.
sleeps, bro. You treat you treat him, and he slept bad. So I think before he even moved,
That's what I wanted to do. Like,
It's gonna be a bad episode. Give him 3 cars like
bro, you gotta throw a shoot early, dog. So that whenever you cross, they're gonna show the picture of the side angle.
tiene que estar abierto when you
Parachute,
pass.
bro. Yeah, you wanna have the parachute open. Passing the 500 foot, maybe 1 Mississippi, 2 Palos.
Yeah.
So by the time you cross 1,000, bro, it's fully.
Look at this guy right here, look.
All day.
Bye bye.
Se me olvidó allá del Lambo y el Tesla. Allá arriba.
Estaba bien emocionado el vato del Lambo ese.
Oh, yeah?
Fuck, yeah.
Pues sí, como venían las ganaste.
Sí.
It's about to go down. You ready?
Hell yeah.
Yes, sir. It's gonna be fun.
So the Tesla's getting 3 and we're getting the move.
Oh, the air launcher. It's air activated.
Whoa, he was in reverse.
Big fail, bro.
Oh yeah, he's nervous.
I saw the lights on, but I was gonna let it happen.
He has a slow delay, bro. That guy sleeps, bro.
He wasn't ready.
In front of him before he even moved.
Yeah. Yeah, he was already like 3 cars ahead before he moved. I wanted it to be closer than that, like fun, you know?
Yeah. This is loaded up.
Yeah.
Era peor, lo
Give him 10 cars.
picó más.
Give him 10 cars.
Dile que le dé media pista si quiere.
Ve ponlo en la flag aquí.
Güey, no lo dudo, güey. Si lo ponemos allá, este perro ahí lo alcanza.
No lo alcanza, güey. Así como se mueve el vato.
Adrian, to make it fun, we need to do like 5 and the Tesla moves.
Yeah.
Just let the Tesla move, bro. 'Cause-
Or I think that dig and roll. I think that one would be sick.
Not roll.
No, let the Tesla roll and we start from the
Oh
dig.
yeah, that'd be sick.
Yeah.
That'd be sick.
Bro, put 5 in the move.
5 in the move will
That's
be.
like, what's up? I gotta think.
Watch it, watch it, watch it. Woo, woo, woo. Hey, buddy. Watch the parachute.
Give him 10 cars and 5 cars in the move, and he moves. Let him move, bro. He's slow. He's slow at the light.
The best part about this race is he's gonna be in front of you, so you're gonna be able to gauge how much you run him down, the scramble.
So
whatever you
what are we
need.
doing?
So we're doing, he's gonna do,
30 miles.
so we pretty much, we smoked this guy. He wants to do a roll, but we don't do roll racing on this truck. So I'm gonna give him the roll and we're gonna be taking off from a dig. I'm gonna be staged up, the starting lane. He's gonna be doing a 30 roll and then we're gonna go from there. We might get beat, it might be a close race or maybe we might win. At this point, we already won the series, it's just for fun.
It's an exhibition match.
Yeah, exhibition.
Yeah, we won the episode already.
Hey, you didn't lose the race.
do you think it's gonna do?
That's hard. If he stays on 30 on a 230, we'll beat him.
I think we'll beat him either way. If it's on a 40 or 50, we got 1,000 feet to catch up.
That's a lot of real estate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks like you chased him down, huh?
We got him by a truck and a half. That's my guess.
I think gets out.
One truck, like a truck.
Crappy,
Truck and a half, I think.
like guilt buys. Like it'll motivate me more.
Is that what it is?
That was perfect, bro. That was perfect.
You just made him run a test pass.
There you go,
so I
good
could get his
shit.
judgment.
Yeah.
That was almost the cleanest one that I've ever
He
done.
left real good. That one's squarely here, huh?
Yeah, it was.
We didn't touch it, but
Yeah.
But I had to go sell like.
Have they said?
I'm motivated to get one more now, so that Brian has to sell shit.
Tesla by a quarter of a car.
Oh. Damn.
Quarter of a car. How many was that?
That was a good race day.
Fender.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But he was
going faster than 30.
yeah, he was coming up fast.
How does it feel to find a way?
That was badass though. That was fun.
tell him to stop. Tell him to stop. Tell him to stop.
Way too early for you to Brian will never own a Plaid. Can't even keep his phone charged.
That was close, man. That was good.
That was a good race, man. You were.
Another 50 feet, you would have caught me.
Right there, man.
Dude, that thing big and hard.
Yeah.
Press the little 5-inch button.
That's sick, man. Nice work. Well, you still won anyways. Yeah. So we had to give him one.
We should have listened to you, Frank. We should have put 10 on the button. I told you, bro.
It's all right. Quick way, bro. We had to let him win something.
Yeah.
I know that's what you mean.
And it's not the only truck he's got.
This is the slower one. Right, you got it.
Yeah, I got it.
This is like,
Do you think you could take a faster truck here, or is that like the limit of what this round is?
well, you guys have turned down.
Hell yeah. How'd it look?
Man, I was coming.
Yeah.
I was coming.
We really all thought you pulled off.
Yeah,
on it. It looked
I
like
was-
2 trucks at least
I
or a
was like,
truck.
damn.
Yeah, it was fun. Like I said, we won the episode, the 2 out of 3. I had to give him something, so he wanted to do a roll, but I wanted to make it interesting, and that's the first time I ever done that.
That's what I'm saying. That's cool. It's different, you know?
It's different, yeah. I seen him. He was coming in. He was coming faster.
Oh,
than 30.
yeah, that was at 30, bro.
What's up? 30. No, he was going like 50.
I told you.
Yeah. He was going too fast, bro.
Yeah. So I was like, and then, I waited a little bit para pegarle el botón, güey, porque no quería que patinara más. Ya le conté y luego,
Yeah, he was going out. I counted like he was going like 40 or 50, but he was hauling ass.
Good luck to you, fellas.
No, thank you, man. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir. All right, buddy. All right, brother.
all right, everybody. Well, that's it for today. We pretty much are done here with the Hoonigans. We came out 2 days. First day we raced. Second day we raced the Tesla. The Tesla was a little bit easier. We got the W. Once again, I want to thank the whole team for putting in the work. Rio, Johnny, Roy, Adrian, Wakala, Tito. Everybody did an excellent job. The guys here were actually surprised about the team. They were like, this is a real team right here. So all the hard work that we put in, the late nights, not the early mornings because we don't really wake up too early.
Us,
Everybody wakes up early except me. But the late nights, you know, the headaches, all that stuff, I mean, it pays off. At the end of the day, this is something that, I mean, we didn't even imagine being here. Did y'all guys imagine being here?
No, I remember when I posted on Instagram, bro, when they posted the unicorn, I posted a picture of this truck, thinking like they're never gonna see it, we're never gonna go, but...
Nah, we want to thank the fans for tagging Hoonigans, you know.
Once again, thanks to all the fans. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell notification because we are coming back. We'll be coming back with more heat. We got another 4x build that we got going on, twin turbo. So we'll be back with 2 trucks. We're gonna be going back to LA because we're 3 hours away from LA. We're in Santa Margarita. It was a badass experience. Like I said, I want to thank everybody for making this happen. This happened thanks to you guys, and we did this for all the truck fans. So if you're a truck fan, this was for you. If you got a truck, this was for you. We came out here, we showed out. So yeah, we're gonna be heading back to LA. We'll probably stop at the Hoonigan store, get us some merch.